In my previous video, I covered simplification of rational expressions. Now I'm going to do multiplication of rational expressions. So, 3x plus 9 over x minus 2 times x squared plus 3x minus 10 over x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so real quick, remind you multiplication, otherwise you can open my video, multiplication of fractions. So if we have a over, oops, this is too much. If we have a over b times c over d, we are multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, which is gonna be AC over BD. So I'm applying the same method of multiplication. Here we'll get, before I multiply, I can simplify 3x plus 9. I can take common factor out, which is 3, right? X plus 3. Here I have x minus 2, okay? Put in parentheses, multiplied. X squared plus 3x minus 10. I can factor it. Let me see if it's factorable. Here is x, here is x. So two numbers multiply will be negative 10. If I add it 3, it's gonna be positive 5 and negative 2. Again, whoever is having hard time with factoring, format x squared plus bx plus c, find my video and watch it. I will put at the end of the this video, okay? So you can find it easy. X squared plus 6x plus 9, factoring x plus 3, x plus 3. At the same time, this is perfect square, by the way. Let's do it. X plus x squared plus 6x plus 9. Let me see. It's going to be x to power 2 here. 9 is a 3 to power 2. And plus, we have to have 2ab here, right? 2ab, let's see. 2 times, formula for perfect square. 2 times, my a is x, my b is 3. There we go, we get 6x. So let me refresh your memory. At a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal a plus b squared. Okay, so which means I could write down here on instead of x plus 3, I can write down x plus 3 squared, right? Okay. Let's see if we can simplify here. X minus 2, I can simply cancel with x minus 2. X plus 3, I can cancel with the square, right? Which, because here is 1, is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So on the top, x plus 3 is completely gone. At the bottom, we have x plus 3 left. So the answer to this is 3 times x plus 5 over x plus 3. Okay, moving to next one. It is going to be 25 x cubed over 4x squared minus 100 times 2x squared plus 10x and 45 x squared. All right. So 4x squared minus 100. I see I can take out 4, right? If I take out 4, I will have x squared minus 25. Because 4x squared divided by 4 will be left only x squared. 100 divided by 4 will be 25. Next. 2x squared plus 10x. I can take out 2x. And I will have x plus 5. And 45 x squared. Okay. All right. Now I can connect to each other and multiply. This will be multiplication, and this is multiplication. And let's see what we can do. X squared is gone with this x cubed, right? Because 3 minus 2 is 1. I have here only x left. Okay. 2 is 1. 4 will be 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 25, 45. So I can divide by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Okay, that's what we have left. And look here, x squared minus 25. That's a squared minus b squared, right? Which is equal a plus b times a minus b. You can watch video on this a squared minus b squared. So this is equal x minus 5 times x plus 5, correct? All right. So what we'll have here, this x plus 5 is gone with x plus 5. Now let's write down nice and clean whatever left. So let's watch carefully not to leave out anything. 5 times x, it's gonna be squared because here we have x left and here we have x left, so it's going to be x squared. So that's it on the top in numerator. In denominator we have 2 times 9. Here it is. It's going to be 18. And times x minus 5. So this x minus 5 is left. And that's it. Okay. Next one. Let me solve here. X squared plus 7x plus 12 over x squared minus 3x minus 18 times x squared minus x minus 30 and x squared plus 4x minus 5. Okay, let's solve it. What do we get? So we have everywhere trinomial, 3 terms, and which is quadratic expression. Let me see if we can factor all of them. So x squared plus 7x plus 12. It's going to be x plus 4, x plus 3, right? 4 times 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. Or you can watch the video about factoring x squared plus bx plus c. I have 2 videos. One is ax squared plus bx plus c, or x squared plus bx plus c. Here in denominator, let me see, it's going to be x minus 6 and x plus 3. I was staring at this negative to figure out which one is going to be negative. Of course, it's going to be 6, going to be negative, biggest number. Okay, next, x squared minus x minus 30. Oh, sorry. I'm providing line, because I'm also might as well multiply. So x squared minus x minus 30. Every time, remember I told you, whenever you have here 1, it's going to be 2 numbers following one each other. So it's going to be x minus 6, x plus 5. And at the bottom, we have x plus 5 because we have plus x 4. So bigger number going to be positive, and x minus 1. Okay, let me see what is going to cancel. X plus 5 is going to be gone with x plus 5. X minus 6 is going to be gone with x minus 6. You know what? Maybe it's a good idea use different colors, so when you look, you can see what I canceled with what. Okay, this is canceling with this one. And then let me change this. X plus 3 will cancel x plus 3. Oh, it's too thick. Okay, x plus 3 and x plus 3. And that's it. So we have left x plus 4, x minus 1. Okay, wow. So look how nicely simplified. We had 4 trinomial quadratic expression, and we got 1 binomial. So x plus 4, 2 terms on the in numerator, 2 terms in denominator. Beautiful job. Okay, next one, number 4. I mean problem number. Doesn't matter, okay. X plus 4 squared over 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 over x plus 4. Okay. So let's see what we have here. We have 3x squared minus 7x plus 2, so we have to apply discriminant here, right? Let me take care of that real quick. So it's going to be 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. So discriminant is equal b squared, which is, it's going to be negative 7 squared, right? Minus 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times a times b, right? Okay. And then that is going to be, d is going to be 49 minus 1224. Let me real quick write down. If we have ax squared plus bx plus c, right? Discriminant is going to be equal b squared minus 4ac. Again, whoever needs this to learn how to factor it, you can watch the video of ax squared plus bx plus c. So 49 minus 24, it is going to be 25. Now x12 is equal negative b. If my b is negative 7, then positive. If b is negative 7, then negative b will be positive 7. Plus minus square root discriminant over 2 times a. A is 3. So from here, x1 is equal 7 plus minus square root 25 over 6, which is going to be equal x12 7 plus minus 5 over 6. So x1 is equal 7 plus 5. It's going to be, okay, let me write down just in case. So 12 over 6 is equal 2. And x2 is equal 7 minus 5 over 6. It's going to be 1/3. All right. So our a is free. So let's see. We are applying format a times x minus x1 x minus x2. Okay, our a is free. So x minus 1/3, x minus 2. Distributing this free, I'm getting 3x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, I have it. So moving to back to our expression, it's going to be x plus 4 squared. Okay, x squared minus 4x plus 2. It's a perfect square. It's a squared minus 2ab and then plus b squared, which is going to be here x minus 2 squared. Okay, you can watch the video for perfect square. Okay, and now we need to do 3x minus 7x plus 2 is 3x minus 1, x minus 2, and multiplying by x plus 4. What do we have? This square is gone with x minus 2. This square is gone with x plus 1. If you wonder why is it gone, because x plus 4 is a degree 1. 2 minus 1 will be here 1. So this x plus 4 on the top will survive, but the bottom is gone. So the same thing is x minus 2. And the result is x plus 4 times x minus 2 over 3x minus 1. Okay? Next one. X plus 6. Okay, we are getting to division, I guess. Okay, let me do one more multiplication just in case. Make sure we have enough. X squared plus 11x plus 30 over 5x squared plus 32x plus 12 times 5x squared minus 8x minus 4 over x squared plus 5x minus 14. Okay. So, look what we have. Here we have a case where we have to go again through discriminant, and this one also. We have to go through discriminant. All right, so on the top, x squared plus 11x plus 30. It's going to be x plus 5, x plus 6. At the bottom here, we will have x plus 7, x minus 2. Now, other these two, 5 with 5x squared, we are going to solve here on the side. Let's do this. 5x squared minus 8x minus 4. Okay, real quick. Discriminant is equal b squared, which is going to be negative 8 squared, minus 4a and negative and c. All I will do, just write down ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, next. So that is equal, discriminant is equal, discriminant is equal, 64 will be plus 20 times 4, 80. So we get 144. So square root 144 is 12. Okay, working well. x12 is equal negative b. Since my b is negative 8, negative b will be positive 8 plus minus square root of discriminant. Here will be 2 times a, which is going to be 2 times 5. And we have 8 plus minus square root 144 over 10. All right. So x1 is equal 8 plus 12 over 10. That will be 20 over 10 equal 2. and x2 is equal 8 minus 12 over 10 will be negative 4 over 10. This is 2, this is 5, negative 2 over 5. Okay, so applying Vieta theorem, that we can break down a factory that's 8 times x minus x1, x minus x2. Again, you can find video and watch it. So for ax squared plus bx plus c factoring. Okay, so our a is 5. X minus, let's say x1, I have negative 2 over 5. So with this negative also will be positive 2 over 5. And x minus 2. Again, the answer that has fraction, I put as a first parenthesis so I can distribute and get rid of fraction. And I'm going to get 5x plus 2 and x minus 2. Let me rewrite 5x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, and the 5x squared plus 3x plus 12. Let's do this one also easy. Actually, I just write down factoring. Okay. I'll just factoring. It's going to be 5x. You can do it yourself. I don't want to spend time on this anymore. I did bunch of times. 5x plus 2 and x plus 6. Okay, so 5x plus 2, 5x plus 2, x plus 6, x plus 6. And I promised to do different colors so you would see what this goes with what. Okay, this is x plus 6 goes with x plus 6. And x minus 2 goes with x minus 2. And as a result, we have x plus 5 over x plus 7. All right. We have it. I think that's all, and in my next video I'll just record division. Okay, we will do division of rational expressions.